This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 67 of building the Infinity Gauntlet. We're continuing with the inner forearm in this issue. After flicking through the magazine, as we always do, we're looking at Thanos versus the Ultimates. Don't know who the Ultimates are. I'm sure if you want to pause and read all of the words, you'll find out. It's obviously a team that looks like Captain Marvel and someone else. Don't know who that is. Sure it says. There we go. Read all about it in there. So yes, this is what we're doing. The inner forearm. We've got a plastic bracket piece which is going onto the inner forearm that we've been building up. Several screws holding that in place to give us a mounting point for where the rest of it's going to go into. But we'll find out in a minute. Blue Marvel. I don't know who Blue Marvel is either. They're really getting to the outskirts of the franchise now, I think. There we go. And Spider-Man, yeah, Jimmy, sculpting heroes. I don't know, he's probably not sculpting, he's probably doing the drawing, but there we go, it's obviously some of his work. And that is that. Let me clear this out of the way. We'll bring in the parts that we've already got, and we'll get some of it put together. So, parts today are plastic insert bracket, some screws, of which we're going to be using 7. Let's few of those out. What we've got there, 2, 3, 4, 4, and some more. Come on, let's come. Can't hide at the other end. 5, 6, one more. There we go. 8. Keep that aside for later possible use. And where's that going to be attaching? I hear you say. It's the inner forearm, the bit that we've been building up all of these pieces in. And this goes into this groove at the top here. Like so. Actually, I'm just going to check. Yeah, these are going in basically angled directly away, so they're not all going in straight. That's going that way around. Each of those will be lining up in place around there like that. So let's get these in, and then we can continue on. As ever with all of these, don't tighten up the first screw. Make sure it goes in like that one isn't. Where's the screw hole? It's got to go further around than that. More there. There, in fact, a bit further around than that as well. There. Feels like that's located in place. This side is not going round quite as it should. There we go. Just a little bit of manipulation with that. I don't want to let go of this because it might pop back out again. Screw in first. There we go. So I shall get the screws in all the way along in this. I'm going to work my way along. It seems to be the nicest way of doing it and put undue strain on things. So I'm going to get all the screws in by going one at a time, working my way around. I shall come back and show you what it looks like when it's assembled. And there it is. Attached in there nice and secure. It went in okay. No problems with any of that. One of the screws is not tightening down as much as the rest, but it seems to be okay. It's all lined up as it should. So that will obviously help to give some stability to the entire inside piece. So that's that. Another issue done. Join me next time when we're going to be continuing building up this bit. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.